Hi guys! Welcome to Rosal Channel. My question po, in review ang application ko sa Stream Ads, may possibility ba na ma-reject? Yes, meron pong possibility na ma-reject. 50-50 pa rin po if mag-apply tayo sa Stream Ads. Example po dito sa itaas, basahin nyo po. Unfortunately, your profile has not been approved to use in Stream Ads. We reviewed this page and found that it isn't following our partner monetization policies. You can make changes to your page to make sure that it follows our monetization policies and apply again on October 14. So, 1 month again para makapag-antay, para mag-apply ulit. Kaya nga, i-make sure lang natin na ang ating account ay malinis at wala pong violation. Para if mag-apply tayo, if mag-request tayo, approve